In this video, I'm going to show you how to capitalize, make a lot of money off of people's passion for politics. If you're anything like me, I'm very passionate about politics. I absolutely follow everything I possibly can about politics. A lot of people are like me, and I'm going to show you how to capitalize on that. My name is Eric. This is Wealth Attitude, and on this channel, we show you how to change your attitude to get you in a way that you can make wealth. All right, we're going to jump into the method. I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. So on my Facebook, I subscribe to a bunch of different groups, and on both sides, I live in the United States, so there's Democrats and Republicans, right? And people are very passionate about it, and they go back and forth about all sorts of different things, right? Right now, you either love Trump or hate Trump. We're not making this about what your political view is. On this channel, we're talking about how to capitalize on it. So please don't comment your personal political views. But right now, Fox News is talking about how Bill Maher is basically slamming how a $1 billion philanthropist died, right? But if you look at the comments here, there's 8,000 comments, 2,000 shares, right? So how can you capitalize on it? That's a lot of eyeballs watching that. So you've got, almost 8,000 people dislike. They did something with it, right? That is something that you definitely want to comment on, and you want to do some kind of capitalizing of, right? As you can see here, here's another one. Hasbro Gaming came out with a Monopoly version and blah, blah, blah. Again, tons of comments, tons of likes and hates. You get the whole point. You want to make some kind of post, comment, or something there to draw some traffic, right? Now, these are just posts on like Fox News and stuff like that. You can also go over to like the watch, and let's see if you could do like live video Fox. We'll try that. Maybe it'll bring up. Okay, so it just brings up this. Yeah, here we go. Videos live. So if you go into like the videos, and maybe you click videos, and then we'll try like U.S. politics. We're going to do videos, and we might be able to just... All right, Clicky Clickerton. Are you kidding me? There we go. Basically, you get the point of view here. We're trying to find live video of people talking about politics, right? So anyways, as you can see here, in a previous method, you could do this filter by date posted. So you could do this month, this week. And with politics, you want like today. You want stuff that are currently going down, right? Something that happened a week ago or even a month ago, it has no bearing on anything right now. People get kind of blinded. They're really political driven of the issues of the day, maybe of the week, but definitely not really of the month per se. So what I did was I went over to Max Bounty, which is if you didn't know, it's a CPA network. And by the way, there are tons of CPA networks, so don't panic if you can't get into Max Bounty for whatever reason. Tons of CPA networks that you can get into and work with. Just do a search on Google for CPA network. Maybe I'll do a video on a list of CPA networks that you could use to get into. But in this one is simple: is Trump fit to be president? Right? Very, very simple. And the only restriction on this is you can't say free in any way. You can't tell them that if they put in their email address that they're going to get anything for free, right? So what I did was I used a software called Builderall. By the way, you don't have to use Builderall. It's just the software that I use. You could use Weebly, Blogspot, but the reason why I like Builderall is because I can literally make a ton of landing pages for this, right? So basically what we're going to do is we're going to make a comment on a post, and we're going to drop the link for our landing page. And this is the landing page that I made real quickly. Is Trump fit to be president? Tell us and receive a Visa gift card. If you click yes, it's going to take you to the same thing as if you click no, right? It doesn't really matter. So I don't know if this is, yeah, this will work. So if I click yes, it's going to take me to the Max Bounty landing page for that specific CPA offer, right? So this is it. So they put in their email address and I'm going to get paid, right? Well, how much am I going to get paid? Well, I'm going to get paid $1.60 per lead, right? Now, what we're looking for here is we're looking for a massive amount of traffic. So we want Facebook groups, we want Facebook live videos, we want Facebook. We want tons of Facebook traffic, right? You could use Instagram and Twitter as well. This works really well with Twitter because Twitter and news go hand in hand. So, you're going to want to get a bunch of these different platforms, and you're going to basically make very thoughtful comments, something along the lines of, man, damn it, I hate Trump, and I told him so. Here, you tell him too. And then you send the little link, right? Oh, and by the way, I got a Visa gift card for it. Or they paid me to tell them how much I hated Trump, or, um, Democrats don't know that I got paid for loving Trump, and here's how you can too. Something along that line. It's a very, passionate-esque type thing. And that's really going to drive the traffic towards your landing page. And when they click on your landing page, they can get to your affiliate offer, and you're going to get paid $1.60. Again, you're not going to get rich by doing this. You're not going to make a ton of money. Very easily, you can make that $100 a day because of how passionate people are about politics, right? So, next level here, create multiple accounts on Twitter, multiple accounts on Facebook, and you can start really pumping this out. Twitter is really, really good for multiple accounts because I think they allow 10 Twitter accounts per Twitter IP address, right? Facebook technically allows as many as you want. I mean, in their terms of service, it says one, but they'll allow as many on an IP address. They're more concerned with spamming. If they see that you're spamming from it, then of course they're gonna put the ban hammer on your account. So what you're gonna want to do is when you create accounts, make them look like actual Facebook accounts that people are using. Join some friends and stuff like that. I've got a lot of videos on how to do that. Check out down below in my channel about how to market on Facebook, right? Again, you can do this. The sky is the limit. You can literally do this on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I mean, this really, really, really works. You can do this in forums. I would stay away from Reddit because Reddit's a bunch of literally trolls when it comes to this kind of stuff. They'll ban you real quick. But you could do this you could even do this on YouTube, right? So you can create a YouTube channel about I hate Donald Trump and make videos from like Content Samurai, from Creative Commons videos, and put a link down in the bottom for the CPA offer. Works like a charm. So again, I would create YouTube videos as well because that's more of a long-term game and you could be making consistent for as long as you possibly can. But this will definitely get you that next level. If you just make a list of all the different, you want to make sure that Fox News and CNN, don't think of, just one side or the other. I got to only do Fox News, CNN, MSNBC, the New York Times, anywhere that they're going to create content around political stuff, you want to have that on your Facebook and show up. And the same thing with Twitter. So then you're going to go over to, I'm using Builderall, so go over to Builderall. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can get your free trial to Builderall so you can test it out for yourself. And then you're going to create a landing page so that you can make something cheesy like I just did here. And like, I don't know, it took me all of 15 minutes to do this, maybe not even that. The reason, again, like I like Builderall is because if for whatever reason, for whatever reason, my landing page right here gets banned on Facebook or Twitter or whatever, I could just create the exact copy of this one. You could just hit duplicate, and it'll give me a brand new one with basically it's a subdomain. So instead of Trump Fit, I would put Trump Fit 2, and just keep doing it that way. Because, eventually you'll probably make a mistake and you're going to get, somebody's going to report it as spam. They're going to look into it and they're like, yeah, you're kind of spamming. And then they're going to ban this URL, right? So you're not going to be able to push this URL. They're going to basically shadow ban it. So then you just make another URL, Trump 2, Trump Fit 2. Guys, I hope you like this. If you did, make sure you subscribe. I haven't seen anybody do any content on this one either. Make sure you subscribe. Tell me if you loved it. Tell me if you hated it in the comments below. Give it a like. See you in the next video.